Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. So today's video is actually going to be really simple, really quick. I've just been rocking a regular like low bun on my Instagram, and everyone has been like, oh my gosh, where's the tutorial? We need a tutorial. Where's the tutorial? So I'm going to do my sleek low bun tutorial. And the thing about it is that it's super easy to do. What I like to do is I like to start in a not natural state, and what I mean by that is like I like to start in like a twist out state or like a braid out state rather than the wash and go state. And so I like to start on an old twist out or an old braid out because the roots are easier to lay and to slick it into the bun, whereas when it's your natural curls, you know, your roots are going to be a little bit more difficult to smooth out and really get that sleek bun look. So that is what I recommend. My hair, this is a braid out that did not dry properly and it frizzed. Yeah, if I would let this braid out dry properly, oh my gosh, it would have been so amazing. I used Uncle Funky's products for this braid out, and I'm gonna have to redo it. I'm gonna have to redo it on my channel because, you know, when you step away from products for a second and you come back and dive into the waters and you're like, oh, I forgot you were this amazing. I will be back. So yeah, that's where I'm at. But for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I do my sleek bun, and it's just such an easy low maintenance style. Sometimes I just don't feel like messing with it. Like, why not just slick it back and be done with it? Okay, so the products that I'm using for today's video, first and foremost, you're gonna need water. This is probably the most important product that you could use to get your sleek bun. Okay, so make sure you have your spray bottle on deck, your faucet, whatever you're going to use to wet your hair. I'm also going to be using my Naturally Boundless Whipped Shea Sorbet. And you guys know this can be used as a body butter, pre-poo, hair sealant, setting styler, heat protectant, body moisturizer, sunscreen, and face moisturizer. So I will also be using this to slick down my hair. Another really important product, I'm not using gel. I'm not using gel to slick it down. I know that's what most people use to slick their hair down, but I'm using the Slick Back Cream Styler by Afrosheen, okay? And so basically it's a cream that slicks your hair down like a gel, okay? So this product, you guys, so cheap. You can find it at Walmart for literally like less than $7. Oh my gosh, literally a lifesaver, because my hair, gel has just been, I just feel like gel is, sometimes you just don't want the gel texture on your hair. Like, I don't want my hair to be hard and crunchy and literally stuck in place. Sometimes I want a nice moisturized slick back hairstyle, and this does that perfectly. So I'm thinking that the Whipped Shea Sorbet plus the Slick Back Cream Styler combo is going to give me so much hydration and like that buttery, hydrated, moisturized, slick back, you know. Yeah, you guys know what I'm saying. You guys know what I'm saying. Like, my hair is going to be super hydrated and it's going to be just waves, okay? Waves for days. And so once I apply these, I'm going to be applying my Shining Star Hair and Scalp Elixir by Uncle Funky's Daughter. So this was kind of like a last minute thing. I actually don't usually use this, but I really like the consistency of this product, and it'll also just seal in and make everything nice and shiny, and yeah, so that's what I'm using this for. So yeah, it's gonna be a super simple video. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so I'm going to, let's see what we're working with today. First and foremost, ooh, come on, healthy hair. Alright, so you guys can see where my braid out like frizzed up on me, and yeah. It looks so good though. Like, I'm so pleased. It looks so good. I'm definitely gonna have to give you guys this braid out combo. Alright, so first step is water. Water is the first step. So I'm actually going to wet my hair a good amount. I'm going to get it really damp and kind of just reactivate the product that's already in it. Also, when you start in a twist out or braid out state, you also have more hang time. Your bun's a little bit fuller because your hair is stretched. Now, I like to have these little side pieces, so I'm going to go ahead and take out my little pieces that I want to hang down. Alright, so now I'm going to start applying my product. I'm going to start with my whipped Shea Sorbet. And I'm just going to start applying it. Smoothing it through my hair, all around the sides. Then next I'm going to take my slick back cream styler and I'm going to do the same thing. Alright, and so I've been using my just regular bristled brush. You can see it's still full of product. And I've also been using my regular toothbrush for my edges. So I'm just going to start to slick back my hair. And if you're having trouble, add more water. So I usually start with one side and just start to brush out the curls. I go underneath as well. Alright, so I'm just putting a little bit of the cream styler on my ends as well. So as you guys know, I have brushed down my hair, but I want to go for that that curly slick back bun look. So I am defining my ends just a little bit before I tie it back into my my bun. So I'm just running some slick back cream styler on my ends and just really making sure that they're defined before I do this bun. Alright, so now it's time to finish off this bun. Alright, so we've got our cute little bun. We've got everything slicked down. So what I like to do is spray more water. I know, guys. Water's everything, okay? And then I'm going to take some more of my cream styler and just rub it on my edges. Then I'm going to take my toothbrush. I'm going to wet it and slick down my edges. And this is the part that really gets it nice and sleek, is going back with the toothbrush. So this really lays everything and gives you your pretty swivel edges, or however you like to design your edges. This is the stage that you would do that. Alright, so I've got my edges laid. I've got my hair nice and slick. Everything's looking good. Alright, so now the last step, I'm going to take a little bit of Shining Star and I'm just going to smooth it on just like that. And then now, of course, we are going to tie this down. And tie it as tight as you can stand it. Alright, so honestly, this just needs a good 20 minutes. Just do this until you leave the house. Keep the scarf on in the car ride, however long you would like. Keep it on all day, keep it on for an hour. It's up to you. The longer, the better. But just know that your hair will be so sleek. So I'm going to leave this on for about, what, 30 minutes, 30, 40 minutes. And then I'll just come back and show you guys what it's looking like. Alright, so my scarf has been on for a good minute. And now I'm going to reveal the final look. Alright, so that is how I do my low bun. Super simple, super easy, and it just looks so professional. And like, this is really good like interview hairstyle, or even just like when you know you're going to be outside or outdoors all day. Because that humidity, let me tell you, that humidity was not playing with my braid out, okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys have been trying out these products that I've been recommending. These are what I use for my day-to-day. So I know it can probably seem a little bit repetitive that I'm using the same stuff, but this is genuinely what I use in my real life. And of course, I'm going to show that to you guys. So thank you again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.